Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Valorant VAN9003 UEFI error on Windows 11. Valorant requires secure boot, so restart your PC and press the key for BIOS access. For Asus F2, for Dell F2 or F12, for HP F10, for Lenovo F1 and for Lenovo laptops F2. Navigate to the System Configuration tab in BIOS and then set Secure Boot to Enabled. Secondly, check if TPM is enabled. Press Windows plus R keys, then type tpm.msc and hit enter. If it says the TPM is ready for use, you're good. If it shows no TPM, your system may not meet the system requirements. Also, try restarting your PC because sometimes temporary glitches causes the error. Shut down your PC, wait for a few minutes, and power it on again. Also, check for system updates. Press Windows plus L to open settings. Click Windows Update in the left panel and then click Check for Updates and install any available updates and reboot your PC. Also, you can try reinstalling Riot Vanguard. Go to the control panel, Programs, then Programs and Features. Find Riot Vanguard, then click Uninstall and restart your PC. Launch Valorant and it will prompt you to reinstall Vanguard automatically. And finally, try to run Valorant as an administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut, select Run as an administrator. So follow these steps to resolve the majority of VAN9003 error caused by system conflicts, missing updates, or anti-cheat issues. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.